Hallo meine Damen und Herren, and welcome to Lesson 4 for your online learning experience. I hope everything is going well, as always. And I know that by now you've probably heard the news that we will not be returning to Eden High School for the rest of the 2019-2020 school year. So with that being said, I want to go over some new things that I'm going to be putting into place to get us through the rest of the school year and get us prepared for summer. Hopefully by now you've seen your email come across from me that I sent out. So I'm going to take this time during this video to kind of go over the basics of that one and make sure that you understand what's going on, because things are going to change just a little bit from what you're used to. You'll still be picking up your lessons on Sunday at 3 p.m. Everything will still be due at 3 p.m. on Sunday. But during the week, we're going to have a little bit of a different thing than what we've been doing now. So let me shrink myself down and let's take a look at that real quick. Now, of course, this is the German 1 page here that I'm using, but everyone has this same thing on their Moodle page. So what I've given to you, this is the schedule that I'm putting together for Zoom for the week Monday through Thursday. So as you'll see, German 1, I will be teaching German 1 through Zoom on Monday from 10 to 10:55, on Tuesday from 11 to 11:55, Wednesday from 1 to 1:55, and Thursday from 2 to 2:55. And you'll notice, by the way, that each day I have a different time slot for each class, German 1, 2, and 3. Now, with that being said, I also have open hours every day, where what I'll be doing is I'll just be on Zoom and I'll be available for anyone's questions from any level. So if you're working on your assignment or something like that, it's there. Okay, now, of course, in the email I said that I needed you guys to do this, so if you would please, you'll notice right here, and this is the same on everyone's class, I need you guys to go to the Zoom class time scheduler, and when you click on it, you're going to pull up something that looks like this. Again, you will see the schedule right there in case you forgot it, and all I need for you guys to do, if you are in German 1, I need you to click one of those. If you're in German 2, I need you to click one of those. And of course, my gentleman in German 3, I need you to click one of those, okay? And then just click submit. Again, the idea is that I would like to see you once a week. So just like if we're in class, I need to see you for attendance purposes so I can actually get a chance to talk to you. During that time we're on Zoom, each of those days, I'll be going over the lesson, I'll be working on pronunciation, I'll be doing things like that. And of course, during that time, you'll have an opportunity to go to the quiz that you have for that one and work on that one. If there's questions that I can answer for you while you're there, think of it as like sitting in class with me there and being able to work on something and ask me questions whenever something pops up, okay? So there's no need for you to leave Zoom to go and do your assignment. You can do it right while you're there. You can put yourself on mute, you can turn your camera off, you can do whatever you need to, but just think of it as like we're having class online all together and we're all doing the same thing at the same time, okay? So I have given you 4 opportunities a week in order to schedule 55 minutes of time with me, okay? Now, are we going to need that entire 55 minutes? Probably not. Usually the lessons that we have should be no more than 45 minutes to an hour long, okay? So that 55 minutes gives us plenty of time to work through things. I'll be going over the notes and all those kinds of things, pronunciations, taking questions. You never know. There might be a question that you have that someone else in that class might have. Okay, so this is a great opportunity for us to get together once a week and collaborate and get this stuff done. This is also a proactive way for me to make sure that you're staying on task, that you're staying on time, that you're getting your things done. I know that the last couple of weeks there's been some folks that have had some trouble understanding what needs to be done or having problems getting things, you know, turned in on time and stuff like that. It's no big deal. We'll get to that one, and if you're still missing some stuff from weeks 1 through 3 is where we're sitting at right now, no worries about that. We'll get you caught up so you can get that done. Also, hopefully you will know that Thursday of this week, so that would be, let me double check my dates here, Thursday this week, that's the 23rd, you guys will be, oops, I hope that got it. But anyways, the 23rd of this week, you guys will be getting progress reports. for that one. So remember, if your progress report says F, that just means fix it. It means that maybe you started it, but you didn't complete it or something like that. I need you guys to fix those things. I've left you notes in Quizlet and all that kind of stuff. If you have an M, that's just because I haven't heard from you at all. I've tried to reach out to you. Anybody that had missing work this week, I called on the phone and talked to parents and things like that. I left messages if no one answered. So if you haven't heard from me, you might want to double check and make sure that you've checked your voice messages and emails. Or, if you would, please reach out to me and let me know. Again, I've given you 3 different ways. If you're still confused on that one, remember, I've given you 3 different ways to contact me. It's right here. You can contact me through Remind, you can email me, or you can text me through Google Voice, okay? So, with that being said, tonight, I need for everyone, tonight, Sunday night, I need everyone to get onto that, Google form, okay? And I need you guys to let me know when I can expect to see you, okay? The way that this is going to work is that if I don't see you at your scheduled time and I haven't heard from you that you needed to change because of something, okay? Now, by the way, I just want to let you know, we're scheduling a time, but that doesn't mean that if something occurs that you can't come at that particular time, maybe you can come the next day when I'm doing German 1 or the next day when I'm doing German 2, okay? The reason I wanted to keep it German 1, German 2, and German 3 is so that I can make sure that everybody's getting the same content at once, and I'm not having to teach 3 classes at one time, okay? So keep that in mind. So tonight, everyone needs to go onto that Google form. Again, it is linked in the Moodle page, okay? I need you guys to go in there, select your day, and let me know when you're going to be there, okay? Everything for this week is posted. I will be teaching those lessons during this week, so we can get that up for you, all right? So I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday, and I will see some of you starting tomorrow at 10 a.m. All right? Until then, we'll see you then. Until then, we will see you soon. Bis bald. Tschüss.